Welcome back to the iGaming channel, brought to you by the Casino Marketing Shop at casinomarketing.shop. Today, how do I become a casino affiliate? First, choose your niche. Focus on slots, sports betting, or live casino to target the right audience. Next, research and compare affiliate programs. Look for reputable operators with competitive CPA or revenue share deals. Then sign up and get your unique tracking links or banners from the casino's affiliate portal. Now build your promotional platform. A blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles where you'll publish reviews, tutorials, and bonus guides. Don't forget to integrate tracking properly, so clicks and deposits are recorded in your affiliate dashboard. Start driving targeted traffic with SEO, PPC, or social ads. Test different creatives and landing pages to boost conversions. Finally, monitor performance, optimize campaigns based on data, and scale what works. That's it. Head over to casinomarketing.shop for our full beginner's guide and tools to kickstart your affiliate journey. See you next time on the iGaming channel.